introduce myself. My name is Koyoga. I'm come from Papua and I am currently studying at Universitas Kristen Indonesia. My major is international relation. In my daily life as a student, I try best to learn and develop my skill, but academically and socially fully in the future it can help my performance in the workplace and in my daily life, so that what I do has an impact on people's lives. So next things, unforgettable Christmas holiday with family on December 25, 2022. My family and I celebrated Christmas in my hometown in Papua. And the year was so special because many of my extended family members joined us from out of town. The whole family celebrated Christmas and welcomed the New Year with joy. One of the most memorable event was bakar batu, what is a traditional way to cook in large proportions to fill of my family members. That's why last Christmas is so memorable for me, and I hope everyone is in good health celebrated another Christmas. So next thing, learn to be as a of person. I want to become someone who can travel the world and learn languages to understand life and culture from the place to place. Learning a new language can increase my ability to adapt to new informations and cultures around the world. That's why I decided to international relation become diplomat. In that meaning, I can experience to travel to many places and interact with a new people as English, as many speakers around the world. So thank you.